Alala, akalaga, alulaga, mabalala, 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 akalaga, mabalala, 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 mabalala.
Hi everyone and welcome to Yeya. Today we will be looking at a variety of TikTok air horn pranks. But before we get into the video, we want to thank you for the subs so far. We want to reach 4,000 subs, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Okay, now let's get into the video. Number 11. This guy drops his gadget when his friend blows an air horn at him.
Whoa! What the? Bro. Why are you recording?
Number 10. This prank was played on a coworker in the office. You can tell he did not expect that at all.
I need to see, probably put something in wrong or something. What the?
Number 9. This guy's response to his friend prank was just hilarious, but who can blame him?
No! I'm sick of your shit.
Number 8. This boy was tricked to come downstairs for some tea only for this to happen to him.
Tea's ready.
Number 7. So this guy decides to prank golfers with his air horn to throw them of their game.
I picked up a marine sport foghorn.
Someone blew the air horn right in my swing.
Someone did?
Yeah, I got hurt.
Really?
Come on, man! I'm done!
Number 6. This guy honks back at other car drivers with his air horn instead of his car horn.
Guys, we're gonna be at a red light. When it turns green, we're not gonna go so the car behind us hits their horn, and when they hit their horn, we're gonna horn back with this. Let's go. Okay, we got a car behind us, and it's still red. Okay, just turned green.
Come on! Honk!
Number 5. Unlike many of us, this guy actually pranks his boss.
Where you post that?
Yeah. Just 'cause it's my last week doesn't mean I ain't gonna play one last prank on Adrian.
Yes, please.
Frick!
Number 4. So this guy threw all his fries as a result of a prank played on him. Number 3. This woman plays prank on her husband who screams like a woman.
He hates that.
Number 2. This is another funny office air horn prank, and it is simply hilarious. Number 1. Okay, so this is actually not a prank, but an air horn joke told by a comedian, and it was hilarious.
I was at a restaurant with this girl, and she ordered sweet potato fries, but they didn't have them, and she made this noise. It sounded like a sad air horn. The waiter goes, "No, we don't have sweet potato fries," and she goes, "Oh, oh, oh, oh."
This brings us to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you turn on all notifications so that you don't miss a video from us. We will appreciate it if you leave a like on this video as well.